Good day, students. In this clip, we're going to be going over some problems in preparation for the quiz on graphing polar coordinates. So right on the title for this lesson, so this is a pre-quiz review, a pre-quiz review on graphing, graphing polar coordinates, polar coordinates. Okay. All right. So now let's go over some examples. Number one, task is to name four pairs. Name four pairs for the polar coordinate, for the polar coordinate 2, -45 degrees. All right. Everybody write this down. Name four pairs for the polar coordinate 2, -45 degrees. I'd like you to do for me two reflections and two rotations. All right. Okay. Now let's graph where the point is first, and then we're gonna start writing down the answer. So 2 and -45. I know that 2, 1, 2, and 45 is right here. So 1, 2, and 45 is right here. So since the angle is negative, what does that mean? You know, we'll have r and theta. A negative radius means you reflect across, right? And then a negative angle means you go up or down. So in this case, we have a negative angle, so we're going to reflect straight downwards. All right, so 2 and -45 is going to be somewhere here, a consequence of the downward reflection, or you can rotate 45 degrees down here. Okay, so there's 2 and -45. Now let's do two rotations first. The rotations are easier, so let's knock off the easy ones first, and then we'll do the harder ones. So two rotations. The first one, we're gonna go, we're gonna do -45 plus 360 degrees. What does that mean? That means I am starting from this point right here, and I'm going positive. Positive is that direction, right? So I'm gonna go 360 degrees up, and I'm gonna go around and right back here. So if I do that, that's -45 plus 360. That is 315 degrees. 315 degrees. All right. And then I also do -45 minus 360 degrees. This was the clockwise rotation. So I'm going to go this direction means negative 360 all the way around, and that takes me right back here. And in this case, we're going to have -405 degrees. All right, so our rotations are, keep the radius the same at 2, 2, 315 for the first one, and then 2, -45 degrees. So these are our two for rotation. Now how about the reflection piece? Reflection. For reflection, I need two reflections also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the points that can be reflected to hit my target point, okay? So let me pick my points. So I can either pick the one that comes straight down to hit this is this point right here. This one reflects downwards to hit my target point. This point right here reflects along the radius to hit this point, and this point right here reflects horizontally to hit this point. So we have 2 and -45. 2 and oh wait, let me label the other points since we already know what this is. So the other points, this is 2 and 45. This point right here is 2 and 135. And then this point right here is 2 and 225. Okay? All right, so um, let's do them. So let's see, 2 and 45. 2 and 45. I need to reflect downwards to hit my target. So what do I do to the point? I make the angle negative, right? I negate the angle as a vertical reflection to give me 2, negative 45 is going to be the first one. But I already have that there. So this one overlaps. So it doesn't really count. So let's move on. Let's try 2 and negative 2 and 135. So this one is a reflection across. So know that whenever you're reflecting across, this is a radial reflection. Downwards is angular reflection. So it's a radial reflection. So all you just do is negate the radius, right? So that's going to give you negative 2 and 135. Okay, that's a good answer. And then last but not the least is 2, 225. This one is a horizontal reflection. To achieve a horizontal or side-to-side reflection, all you do is simply negate both radius and angle to achieve a horizontal reflection. So in this case, both of them negated, you're going to have negative 2 and negative 225. All right? So these are reflections or rotation. So our answers, let's organize them. Our answers are going to be 2, 3, 15. This one, negative 2, 135. And negative 2, negative 225. Can't even write anymore. Negative 225. Since this one overlaps with that one, I don't have to put it again. All right? So when you're doing your board work, just organize them together and put them in a box, okay? When you're doing your board work, you don't have to draw all the circles. For your board work, you just do only the circle that's under consideration. That's the only one I care about. And maybe the lines for those circles, and that's it. All right? So there you have it. All right, let's try another example on graphing. Okay, another example on graphing. Check this out. All right, number 2. Write it down. Graph r equals 2.5. Okay, r equals 2.5. So what does that look like? R equals 2.5 is just the line. Okay, so all you do is actually is a circle. So find the point 2.5 on your graph, and then you draw the circle. Okay, that is what circle is 2.5 units away from the center all around on this unit circle. So all you do is start from the center and go out 1, 2.5, and in this entire circle here is going to be your answer. So let me see if I can draw with this tool. So this circle right here. So this circle right here is the answer. So just darken this circle as best as you can. Okay, and that's your answer. So when they give you a radius, all they're asking you for is just a circle. Okay, pardon my terrible circle here. But yeah, to get it through. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to proceed to another question. If I can finish this one up. So that's r equals 2.5. Number 3. What if you're asked to graph an angle? Theta equals negative 150 degrees. What if you're asked to do that? So that one, you just need to find where negative 150 is and basically draw a line through that. That line, the radius containing this angle is the answer. So where is 150? If this is 150, this is 150 because you go up and over 150. Go straight down bam, this line right here is negative 150. Okay, this line right here is negative 150. This is 150, this whole line. If you go straight down, bam. Remember, angular reflection is just straight down, okay? So negative 150 is going to be the reflection of 150 downwards to this line. So the entire line, both the positive and negative, will give you negative 150. So this right here, this theta equals negative 150. Okay? All right, we're going to go ahead and get started with the word problem.